Today we're cooking 3 flavor-packed mutton recipes: Mutton Ghee Roast, Mutton Kofta Masala and Kaala Mutton. If you love slow-cooked spices, rich gravies and bold flavors, you're in the right place. Let's start with the first recipe, Mutton Ghee Roast. Take all the ingredients needed for marinating the mutton in a bowl and mix them well. Make sure every piece is evenly coated. Once done, let the mutton marinate for 1 hour. After marination, transfer the mutton to a pressure cooker, add water and pressure cook for 5 whistles until the mutton turns soft and tender. Now keep the cooked mutton and the stock aside. Now let's move on to the masala. Heat a pan on medium flame and dry roast the chilies for 2 to 4 minutes. Next, add the remaining whole spices and roast them for another 8 minutes. You'll know they're ready once the spice turns aromatic and slightly browned. Now transfer the roasted spices into a mixer grinder. Add onions, ginger, garlic, tamarind and a little water. Grind everything into a smooth paste. Now heat ghee in a karai and add curry leaves. Once they turn crisp, add the prepared masala paste. Cook this for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally so it doesn't stick. Now add the cooked mutton along with the stock and a little water if required. Mix well, cover and let it simmer until the masala thickens and the oil starts to separate. Once the ghee roast looks rich and glossy, it's ready to serve. Next, let's make Mutton Kofta Masala. In a bowl, take mutton keema, add turmeric, cumin, coriander, red chili powder, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, hing and salt. Mix everything really well. Now shape the mixture into small balls and gently flatten them into mini patties. Keep them aside. Now heat oil in a pan and carefully add the koftas. Shallow fry them on medium heat, turning them gently so they cook evenly on both sides. Once they turn golden brown, remove them and keep aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed. Add the whole garam masalas and fry till fragrant. Add chopped onions and saute until they turn slightly golden. Now add the tomato puree and mix well. Let it simmer for a few minutes so the rawness cooks out. Now add 1 teaspoon each of garam masala and meat masala. Mix well, cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and give the gravy a good stir. Now add the fried koftas gently and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Now let's move on to Kaala Mutton, known for its deep color and smoky flavor. In a mixture jar, add chilies, garlic, ginger and fresh coriander. Grind this into a coarse masala without adding any water. Now take the mutton pieces in a bowl, add the prepared masala, curd, turmeric and salt. Mix well and allow the mutton to marinate for 2 hours. While the mutton is marinating, prepare the onion and coconut masala. Lightly crush whole onions with your palm and char them directly on an open flame. Now do the same with the dried coconut. Once cooled, grind both into a chutney-like paste, adding up to 1/4 cup water if required. Now heat oil in a pressure cooker. Fry the marinated mutton for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add water and pressure cook for 5 whistles. Once done, remove from heat and keep aside. In a karai, heat ghee and fry the onion coconut masala for 2 minutes. Add chili powder, kanda, lasun masala and garam masala and cook for another 2 minutes. Now add the cooked mutton along with the stock. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the oil starts to separate. Finish with lemon juice and fresh coriander leaves. These were the 3 mutton recipes, each with its own unique flavor and techniques. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.